Guys, so I'm going to use this video to explain the concept behind the candlestick and candlestick patterns. So for candlestick, there are two important aspects of candlestick. We have the body, which is usually the green part. That's the green part over here. The red part is called the body. Then you have the wick. Which is this long black line on the body. So the body tells you the current moment, shows you the current momentum. If the body is green, then it's telling you that price is going up. If the body is red, then it's telling you that price is going down. So the wick shows you price rejection. So if you have a long wick, like this, it means that price has been rejected. So the ratio of the is also very important. If the ratio of the wick is larger than the body, you know that there is strong price rejection. Like in this case, you can see that the wick actually is far longer than the body, which is the red part over here. The red part over here is the body. The black part like this is the wick. So the wick is longer than the body, that is, the ratio of the wick is longer than that of the body, then you say that there is a strong price rejection. But in case where the ratio of the wick is not too long, the body is longer than the wick, then you can say that the momentum is, if it's red candle with a little wick, you say that the momentum is very bearish. A short wick and a longer red candle. You have if the candle color is now green, if the color of the candle is now green, then you say that the momentum is bullish. So that is how you analyze your candlestick pattern. You pay attention to the body, which is the green colored part, green or red part, and you also pay attention to the wick. You pay attention to the wick, the black color inside the body. So that's it. Then another note is how the candlesticks form. So for bearish candle, price opens at the bottom. For bearish, price opens at the top. Price opens at the top here. Sellers start selling downward. It gets to a support. This lower black line here over here is support. So when the price gets to support, it's going up a little bit and you get a little price rejection. That is when you get the wick. That's when you get the wick, and you get the wick like this. So that's how bearish candle forms. You have the open at the top and the close at the bottom. So for candle, the opposite is the case. Bearish candle, price opens from, let me change the color first. For bullish candle, price opens from the bottom and slowly start going up. So once the price gets to resistance, it usually reacts and it bounce back a little bit. So price opens from the bottom and starts going up to the top of the resistance, and it bounced back a little bit, and that's where you have your bullish body, and you get a little price rejection as the wick. So that is a bullish. The red one is bullish candle, the red one is bearish candle, the green one is a bullish candle. So that's how your candlestick forms. And there's what we call swing high and swing low. Swing high means the highest point of the candle, the highest point of the candle, and swing low means the lowest value of each of the candle. So you can say this point over here that I'm going to use an arrow to identify. This point over here is your swing high for this candle, and this point over here is your swing low for this candle. Then is your swing low for that candle. Then this point is your swing. Let's use an arrow. This point over here is your swing high for this candlestick, and this point over here below is your swing low, because over here is the highest price that the candle went to before price rejection, and over here is the highest price, over here is the lowest price, over here is the lowest price. So that's the concept behind the bearish and bullish candle. When the wick of the candle is longer than there is a strong price rejection. Wick is longer than the body, you say there is a strong price rejection. You can see in this candle now the wick is longer than the body, then you say there is a strong price rejection. So when the body is larger than the wick, like in this case you have let's say you have a short wick, a short candle wick, let's say here, then you have a bigger body, then you say that the momentum of the candle is still very strong. Let's say you have it like this, then you say that the momentum of the candle is still very strong. So that is it about a bullish and bearish candle. For bullish candle, you have the candle body is green, you have the wick which shows you price rejection, and you have the price opens from the bottom. The price opens from the bottom and closes at the top. For bearish candle, the price opens at the top and closes at the bottom, because sellers are pushing price down. For the bullish one, buyers are pushing price up. That's why price opens from the bottom and closes at the top, because they are pushing it up. For bearish, they are pushing it down. That's why price opens at the bottom, at the top, and close at the bottom. So we have our swing high. For each candle there is swing high and there are swing low. So the swing high is the highest point that the candlestick actually went to before price rejection, and the swing low is the highest point, lowest point that the candlestick actually went to before price rejection. So that is it about this introduction to candlestick pattern. We are going to candlesticks. We are going to, in my next video, I'm going to cover the candlestick patterns bit by bit, and we are going to talk about all the candlestick patterns.